how to place an online order on Costco. Hey everybody, if you guys would also like to do so, in today's video we'll be explaining how. So first of all, you may head over to costco.com and sign into your account. Tap on the account option at the top and use your credentials in order to sign in into your particular account on Costco. And then once you are signed in, you should be finding this particular interface. And when you scroll down, you'll be finding all of the products. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and browse by category or use the search bar to find the specific item that you would like to purchase. So when you find the item, tap on the item and you can just go ahead and check out with the item that you would like to uh, purchase, place an order online. Just go ahead and do so. You may just go ahead and list out the products that you would like to purchase. After that, select it, and once you select it, you can look out for this option called add selected to cart. Just go ahead and do so. And once you do so, once you add up an item, you will be taken to the checkout section and you can just go ahead and finalize your order, enter your shipping and billing information, including your address and payment details, and select a preferred arrival date for your order, and carefully review all of the information on the summary page. And if everything is correct, just go ahead and click on place your order, and that way your order will be placed on Costco. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to place an order on Costco, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.